AWS launches 2 edge locations.
IBM's new MultiCloud Manager and AI OpenScale.
Q3 earnings reports trickle in.
Arm holds its annual Arm TechCon Event. These stories and more are coming up on this week's Liftr Cloud Roundup, October 19th, 2018.
Welcome to another edition of the Liftr Cloud Roundup. We're your anchors, Corey Boland
and Shaylee Webb, here to guide you through some interesting changes in the cloud and what to expect next week from Liftr Cloud Insights. Let's jump on in.
AWS has announced the launch of 2 Amazon CloudFront Edge locations in Dubai and Fujairah, expanding to 138 points of presence across 29 countries. According to the company, the locations will help customers deliver content faster and improve security. Zubin Chagpar, the head of public sector MEA for AWS, said, quote, "This allows our customers to get better access to service and lower latency by about 90%. It means more services will be available."
IBM announced its new MultiCloud Manager, aimed at controlling Kubernetes clusters over different clouds and data centers. Users will be able to shift their clusters and containers between cloud providers and link public and private clouds via a single dashboard. The company also announced their new tool, AI OpenScale, enabling developers to analyze any machine learning model using any integrated development environment. This is designed to locate bias in AI and create AI fairness. To get a deeper insight on IBM and other major cloud players' maneuvers to prevent AI bias, check out our principal analyst Paul Teich's blog post now on Forbes.com.
IBM kicked off Q3 earnings reports this week. According to a transcript by Seeking Alpha Jim Kavanaugh, Chief Financial Officer of IBM announced that the company saw $19 billion in cloud revenue over the last 12 months, with an as-a-service annual run rate of $11.4 billion, up 24%. We can expect to see earnings reports next week from Microsoft on Wednesday at 5:30 Eastern Time, Google on Thursday at 4:30 Eastern Time, and Amazon on Thursday at 5:30 Eastern Time. Stay tuned with Liftr Cloud Insights for more coverage in next week's Liftr Cloud Roundup.
This week at its Arm TechCon event in San Jose, California, Arm announced its ServerReady compliance program for Arm-based servers. Arm is focusing on cloud service provider customers, and its ServerReady program will help its instruction set licensees better compete with Intel, AMD, and IBM for cloud infrastructure market share.
Our principal analyst Paul Teich will be attending Oracle OpenWorld in San Francisco from October 22nd to the 24th. According to Canalys, our market data partner, in Q2 2018, Oracle Cloud was the 4th largest software as a service provider at about 8% of total SaaS revenue and one of the top 10 public cloud infrastructure service providers. Follow Liftr Cloud Insights on social media to see Paul's live coverage of the event. That's a wrap for this week's Liftr Cloud Roundup. Has your business made major strides using cloud? We want to hear from you. Email us at ideas@liftrnews.com.
See you next week.